Hey guys, I'm back with a new toy review, and this here is Marvel Titan Hero Series, Captain America, and Guardians of the Galaxy, Peter Quill, Star-Lord. First off, I'm going to show you their boxes. So here's the box, and it says Captain America fights for justice with superhuman strength, agility, and an indestructible shield. And here are some other characters. It says Iron Man, Thor, and Marvel's War Machine. These are you can collect in this series. And so you have to get the whole collection, like 3 of them. So that's Captain America's box, and this here is Guardians of the Galaxy, Peter Quill, Star-Lord. It's a box, and it says Star-Lord. When the fate of the universe hangs in the balance, Peter Quill and the Guardians of the Galaxy are ready to defeat interstellar evil with a plan that's so crazy it just might work. And it says intergalactic adventurer, what he is. And so let's get to the figures. So this is Captain America, and he comes with this shield, and it's actually removable. Here's his shield, and for his articulation, his head can move all the way around and back and forth, and his arms can go all the way around, and his leg and his thing on his arm 360 degrees, and his legs back and forth. So this is Captain America, and here is Peter Quill, Star-Lord from Guardians of the Galaxy. And he comes with this weapon, and it's actually removable. And here he is now. And for his articulation, his head can move 360 degrees back and forth, and his arms 360 degrees, and his hands left and right, and his legs back and forth. Okay, so that's it for now. Just follow the links to my blog and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm gonna be back with more toy reviews and gameplays. And see you guys next time.